Elon Musk decided to take off the free access we usually have on Grok. Most of us rely heavily on it for our AI video production, so it's been so heartbreaking. Even for me, I felt so bad when I realized that it's no longer free. Well, the good news is there's still some free alternatives that can help you generate videos and keep your content going. Right now, I'm going to walk you through 5 tools that can continue to help with your AI video production and show you what exactly they all offer. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with other creators. The very first one on my list is Vheer, Vheer, and it allows you to generate free images and videos without limits. And the thing is, you don't even need to sign in for you to have access to the platform. Even without logging in, you can use all of the features they have on this platform, but it's just that once you have your results, you need to quickly save it. So they have the text to image feature, image to video, and all of this. So what we are here for is the image to video. So you're just going to click on image to video and then click on generate video from image. Then you upload the image you want to animate. Click on upload your images and then you upload your image. Right here where we have the camera prompt, this is where you're going to impute the prompt to animate your image. And even if you don't put anything here to still help you, you can actually request for idea. It will help you with the inbuilt option to give the prompt to animate the particular image you upload. And then you can go ahead and do so. If you like, you can actually impute your own prompt. And once that is done, you go ahead and hit generate. So just click on generate. So if you look at the website, the video format remains MP4. The video length is 5 seconds for free. And then the frame is at 24 FPS. You can increase it to 25. And then the video dimension remains as this. So the quality model is free, but they have the pro model option and the max model option as premium. So when you click on generate, you just need to wait a bit. It may take up to like 2 to 5 minutes for it to generate. And once that is done, you'll be able to get your results. The next one on my list is Qwen, and you just need to access it by going to Qwen AI. And once you're there, you will see the options for image edits, thinking, search, web development, artifacts, deep research, image generation, and video generation. So when you click on video generation, it's going to open this way. Open on another tab. You can access all of these apps with your phone. You can access them through your mobile phone. So this is what it looks like once you click on video generation. Right here, you're going to click on the plus sign. Then before you proceed, you may be asked to sign in. You may be asked to sign in or sign up. Just go ahead and sign in with your Gmail account. You click on the plus sign and click on upload attachments. Then you pick the image you want to animate. So right here, you go ahead and input your text. So this is what I'm going to put right here. So once you input your prompt right here, you go ahead and hit generate. And you need to wait a bit, wait a bit for it to generate. And once that is done, you have something like this.
How long do Yash? The one you get never do you.
Okay, so that is that for this one. The next on my list is Google Flow. Google Flow gives about 50 credits a day. And it's not totally free, but at least you can switch accounts. You click on create with flow, click on this part and then click video, right? Then you choose the frame you want, that 9.16 or 16 by 9, and make sure it's on frames because we are animating an image. So we'll just click on frames to video and then we'll click on the stats. We're going to click on the stats so we can add our image. So you click on this plus sign to upload your image, click on upload image. Choose the image you want to animate, like this one. So once the image is uploaded, you click on this start and then you upload it. If you have an end frame, maybe you want it to transition from one to the other, you click on end and upload the second image. But I'll just leave it as this. Just paste in your prompt and then you go ahead and hit generate. So and then you will have a good one. So the next one on my list is the Meta AI. Meta AI is also good, but it may not be as perfect as what you used to get in Grok. So the same way you go to meta.ai, you'll be asked to log in, go ahead and log in. Now you click on this part, create a video from photo. So you'll be asked to upload your image. Once you upload your image, you can just take this off and then paste in your prompt and then you click animate. And you just need to wait for a bit, like a few seconds, for the animation to move on properly. The last one on my list is Video. Video is also free, but the limitation is it takes a little bit of time. It takes more time than others, and it also gives a very good result. Just click on Try Now. Click on Try Now. Then right here where we have video, they have the video feature, we have the image feature, we have the avatar one. So just click on video, click on Try Now under video. Then you can go ahead and upload your image. Let's go ahead and upload your image. Right here you click on, once you click on video, and right here you see frames plus audio. If you want your character to talk, you can make them talk right here as well, or you upload the audio of what they are going to be saying. So all you just need to do is to explore this website. Click on frame, click on upload from device, and upload your image. Upload your image like this. So, and then you go ahead and describe what you want to happen, in the, describe the action or whatever it is that you want to happen right here, and then you hit generate. So this one may take a little bit of time. You need to be patient. You need to leave it. So what I usually do is I leave it and then come back to it later. Now, just to be real with you, out of everything I mentioned, Google Flow gives very good realistic results. Then followed by Qwen. Qwen also is good. And Google Flow is actually the closest to Grok right now. The others may not give you perfect result like Grok, but they are still very useful, especially if you are working on projects and need free options while we wait for even better alternatives. So don't ignore, just test them out and see what works best for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Also try them out and let me know your experience in the comments.